Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get started with game development using Unity3D. First, we need to know if you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit version of Windows installed on your computer. Just go to your settings, then on System, and then on Info. And here at System Type you can see that mine is a 64-bit version and the 64-bit processor. So, now we need to download Unity. Just go on unity.com and press on Get Unity. My page now is in German. Then you have to download the personal edition. Here is also the information about its support. And just download it. It's an installer. Now just open the installer and press on OK. Now we are going to install Unity. Press on Next. You have now to agree to the license agreement. Then Next. Now it's important what bit version do you have. We also saw it a minute ago. So mine is 64-bit. If yours is 32-bit, then just install this. You'll need a 64-bit for gaming consoles and WebGL. So now we have to choose our components. If you just want to try Unity out, just download the engine itself, and then it's important on what platforms you want to deploy your game. I want to deploy my game to Android, iOS and Windows Phone. And you can also add things if you want. For example, the documentation is the scripting AP reference that you can read out if you want to program something with a special method. You can look what parameters it takes and things like that, and maybe the standard assets if you want to take a look. If you want to use Microsoft Visual Studio, just download it, but I'm not going to use it now. Just press on Next, and then you have to wait until it's installed. So while it's installing, we can also download the next thing. We need the Android SDK to deploy a game for Android. If you don't want to deploy your game for Android, you won't need it. So just go on to developer.android.com. I'll also leave links in the description. Then I'll download Android Studio. That's an IDE. We need here. We only need the command tools for Windows. We download this, and then agree and download. Now we have to wait. So now after Unity is installed, don't launch it and untick the box, press finish, and then we've downloaded the Android SDK tools. Just extract it here, and then we've got all the tools. Open it and run the android.batch file as administrator. After you've done so, it will take a moment to launch the Android SDK manager. After it launched, you have to pick what you want to download and install. So we need the Android SDK tools, the platform tools, the build tools, and then you have to pick your Android's device's Android version. Mine is 7.0 Nougat, so I'll download that. And later, when you publish a game, you have to select a minimum SDK, and that will be something like 4.0 or 4.3. And now I'll just download version 7.0. Just download the version your Android phone has. Click on Install, accept the license and press on Install. Now you can leave the folders where you want. You can also put them into your program files wherever you want. Now we are going to start unity3D. Double click on it, and the first start will take some time. When you first start the engine, it will ask you if you use the engine in a professional case, and it will ask you after a license. Just press on personal license and say that you don't use it in a professional case. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've done so, leave a like, and if you've got any problems, then leave a comment below. In the next episode we will start our first Unity project, and I'll give you an introduction into the interface of Unity, and I'll see you in the next video.